The sky's no longer the limit. In 2026, 4K camera drones are delivering cinematic footage right from your backpack. In this video, I'm revealing the top 5 best 4K camera drones. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is the best overall choice for your money. Whether you're a beginner, travel vlogger, real estate creator, or just someone who wants stunning aerial footage, this video is carefully researched to help you choose the right drone without confusion. I'll cover camera quality, flight time, transmission range, stability, and the biggest advantages of each model. Let's start the countdown from number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. GPS Drone FPV Screen. This GPS drone features a built-in 5.7-inch FPV screen, 4K camera recording, and up to 100 minutes of flight time with 2 batteries included. It supports GPS follow mode, auto return, and beginner-friendly flight controls. Review highlights. This drone is designed for entry-level users who want long flight time and built-in screen convenience without needing a smartphone. It's stable, easy to control, and suitable for casual aerial photography. Pros: 100-minute total flight time, built-in 5.7-inch FPV display, GPS follow and auto return, beginner-friendly flight controls, foldable and portable design. Number 4. Drone with EIS camera. This lightweight, under 249-gram drone features a 4K camera with EIS stabilization, GPS support, AI tracking, orbit mode, and a controller with a built-in 5.0-inch screen. It offers up to 70 minutes of total flight time. Review highlights. The built-in display adds convenience, and EIS helps stabilize footage for smoother results. It's a solid option for beginners who want simple operation and creative tracking features. Pros: 4K camera with EIS stabilization, built-in 5.0-inch screen controller, AI track and orbit mode, under 249 grams, no FAA registration required in most cases. Auto return safety feature. Number 3. Potensic Atom SE. The Potensic Atom SE features a 4K EIS camera, under 249-gram lightweight design, and up to 62 minutes of combined flight time. It offers 4-kilometer FPV transmission, brushless motors, and GPS auto return. Review highlights. This drone stands out for its strong balance of price and performance. The brushless motors improve durability and stability, while the GPS return to home ensures safe flying. Pros: 4K EIS stabilized camera, 4-kilometer transmission range, under 249-gram lightweight design, reliable GPS auto return, strong value for beginners. Number 2. DJI Neo 2 Motion Fly More Combo. The DJI Neo 2 Motion Fly More combo includes RC Motion 3 and Goggles N3, offering immersive FPV flying with stable digital transmission. It records in 4K and includes 3 batteries for extended flight sessions. Review highlights. This drone is designed for immersive FPV experiences. The motion controller makes flying intuitive, and DJI's transmission system ensures stable and clear video feed. Pros: immersive FPV flying experience, stable digital transmission, 4K camera quality, 3 batteries included, beginner-friendly motion control. Number 1. DJI Mini 3 Fly More Combo. The DJI Mini 3 Fly More combo features a 4K camera, vertical shooting support, and up to 114 minutes of total flight time with 3 batteries. It offers up to 10-kilometer video transmission range, intelligent flight modes, and a lightweight, under 249-gram design. Review highlights. This drone delivers cinematic image quality, excellent battery life, and DJI's industry-leading stability. The vertical shooting feature makes it perfect for social media content creators. Pros: 4K high-quality camera, 114-minute total flight time, 10-kilometer long-range transmission, vertical shooting for social media, lightweight and beginner-friendly, DJI reliability and build quality. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, let's talk about the best product overall. After comparing camera quality, transmission stability, flight time, safety features, and brand reliability, the DJI Mini 3 Fly More combo stands out as the best overall 4K camera drone in this list. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.